for the next little while.
And I have honest to God, like, no intention of going until this week. If I have to.
Yeah.
Okay. Last semester was weird because I wasn't doing anything. Was it a lemon ginger?
It was just straight up ginger, but it still has a little hit of it.
No, they're gonna be super good.
Some other spices in it. But
I started applying for jobs.
But you got your interview outfit and your interview ready.
So this stuff that we have is really
I think February is really fun.
But regular jobs, they're inspired of
Yeah. You just sit there.
You wanna go with Claudia?
I think you should sit
It's so sad that it works that way. Just keep it
My brother's girlfriend is at her house, so
I think goes perfectly with this
he
next.
works for
You're welcome to stay away from your house.
But you know what? It's already getting all fuzzy and stuff.
It's so nice. I've had so much to do, but
After you,
it's mainly nice to just get it and have to like talk to her. And I accidentally completely turned my heat off in my room so it's like transition.
And then we did rather smoothly, like reasonably smoothly.
Well, or does she try to talk to you?
I don't know, I think we're in
Or she like kind of stared and
stays your kind. We're just getting through the really rough part and the really really hard. And now
And like, I'm really not in the mood to small talk with someone I don't really know in my own house.
Yeah. What's really comfortable about having a long distance relationship that's with somebody who doesn't live in the town that you come from
Yeah.
is
I don't know if it makes more sense. It's not a competition with home. Although we could have the
Anyway, yeah, one of the things that's difficult about it is that usually what ends up happening is, I mean, you've been in a long distance relationship, so you know, like, a lot of the time something will come up, the person that you're with will have to go into work, or will have schoolwork to do, or will have it, you won't be able to spend the 100% of the time with them, and during that time, when they're busy, if you don't really know any of their friends, you haven't, and you probably don't, because you're probably spending most of your time alone with that person. So you just kind of have to hang around, watch TV.
Like, she'll probably get up and like walk to the Starbucks or something. I don't know what she's doing all day. And my brother works every day, so she has just been doing nothing all day every day. Which I think is really weird.
That wouldn't be worth it for me.
And it's really weird. Like, I actually, Chris and I went out for drinks. We went to this place that we used to always go to. It's called the Fifth Avenue Wine Bar. So I'm sure you've been. Or we went there actually one night. Was that
I don't feel.
And the girl, it's always just one bartender, like running the whole thing. It's such a small operation. And the girl was like looking at me like really weird, but like we were there for like 3 hours. She was such a press, like why is she? And then like eventually she like like right towards the end of the night, always so and I was like, yeah. And she's like, oh no, it's like
It's really good idea.
hey, because that's like my brother's best friend in the whole world. So I just never really and she is Asian, so that's how. And she was saying how like they're like so in love with each other and like smitten by each other, and like she barely even sees Asia anymore due to the news. And also like happy, like my brother's never really been this happy with a girl before, so that's good.
Yeah, I'm actually, I feel like I'm not reeling from it a little bit.
Well, no, but I mean,
I
it sucks. There's nothing more to it. But yeah, in the end, as long as they're happy.
And she's so good at growing up too. She's only 18. I need to keep in mind she's as much as like my brother thinks she's like really confident and like has it like her head on straight. Whatever she still probably doesn't know who she is.
Yeah, she's gonna figure it out in like a year, or figure some of it out, and then it's 5 years, and she's gonna be a totally different person at that point. You know, this is
But it
like
scares me a little bit.
that is a chunk of time.
Huge
Well,
space with
for the next little while.
I have honest to God like no intention of going until this week. If I have no
Okay.
Last semester was weird because I wasn't doing anything.
Was it a lemon?
It was just straight up ginger, but it still has a little hit of it.
No, they're gonna be super big.
I started applying for jobs after.
But you got your interview and you're interview ready.
So this stuff is really big.
But regular jobs, they just hired a bunch of people.
Yeah. You just sit there. I think you should sit
It's so sad that it works that way. Just keep it
My brother's girlfriend was at our house, so he works at like 6
welcome to stay away from your house.
But you know what? It's already getting all fuzzy and stuff.
It's so nice. I've had so much to do, but
After you.
it's really nice to just get it and have to like talk to her.
I don't know why I fell in love with this person.
And I accidentally completely turned my heat off in the room
See if we get through this
so it's like
awful transition. And then we did rather smoothly, like amazingly smoothly.
Well, or does she try to talk to you?
I don't know, I think we're in
Or she like kind of stared and
we get asked for questions. We're just getting through the really rough part and the really tight part. And now
And like, I'm really not in the mood to small talk with someone I don't really know. in my own house.
Yeah.
And I love
What's really comfortable about having a long distance relationship